everybody, how's it going? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. I'm getting today fired up with an 07 GT500. This car is running our Stage 3 power package as well as free-flowing exhaust. Let's make a dyno pull and take a closer look. Gotta love those numbers. There's not an easier way on a GT500, whether you have an 07 all the way to 12, to make that kind of power for the money. I love the TVS 2.3 upgrade. Look at this. 662 rear wheel horse, 612 torque, and the torque is all the way across the board. That's what's so awesome about these superchargers. Let's look at the package. All right, our Stage 3 package comes with the TVS 2.3. This is available from Ford Performance. We use the twin 65mm throttle body, a set of Kohler spark plugs, and the huge JLT Big Air. Now, another thing you're gonna have with this package is the calibration. I just did this one on the dyno, but when you get it mail order, we include a programmer so you can just load it on your car and go with it. Really easy package to make big, big power. I just brought out some graphs as well as when this car was stock versus when it had our Stage 2 upgrade. So our Stage 2 upgrade is just cold air, spark plugs, and pulley and calibration on the stock supercharger. And then I have the graph of what we just did right now. Let's take a look, because that is a really neat comparison to see that the gains you're getting aren't just at high RPM, they're all the way across the board. So here you go. When this car was stock and made 468 to the tires, then 533 with the Stage 2 upgrade, now 662 with the TVS upgrade. And torque was 482, then 533, then 612. As you can see, every time this car got upgraded, huge, huge gains. Now, when it went from stock to the 533, we also did free-flowing exhaust at the same time. So there you have it. That's our Stage 3 upgrade on an 07 GT500. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment. I will answer. This is available via mail order, or give us a call, 574-594-9559, or quote at brenspeed.com for your installation needs. Thanks for watching.